Hi, welcome to Virtual Meet the Teacher. I'm Miss Schaefer, and I'm your child's pre-calculus third period teacher for the Virtual Academy this fall semester of the 2020 academic school year. Just some first things that we're going to go over are the live session expectations for your Gator. I would like for them to be on time, be in a quiet place, be prepared, make sure their presentation is appropriate, they're up straight, and they're also in the camera view if they're using their camera. I hope that they're muting themselves when others are talking. They're participating in class, they're chatting responsibly, they're communicating clearly, and they're being respectful to each other as well as to me, and I'm going to be respectful to them. A little bit about me. I'm the Associate Athletic Director and I'm a math teacher. I teach pre-calculus and Math 1A. This is my ninth year teaching. I went to Meredith College. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Mathematics with a minor in Education and Physical Chemistry. I also got my Master's of Science in Instructional Technology from East Carolina University in Distance Education Administration. And just last year in 2019, I became a National Board Certified Teacher. I love green level athletics and I love the Gators. This is my husband, Brian, and my dog, Wrigley. If you need to contact me, my email is lschaefer@wcpss.net. And then I also use Twitter at GL_LHS. Those are two ways to contact me. Most likely, though, email is going to be the best way to contact me. Some things that I have sent you guys through the syllabus is about the grading in pre-calculus. So all of the math classes are going to have major and minor assignments. Major assignments for pre-calculus are 60%. They are going to include tests, quizzes, and projects, while minor assignments are 40% and include problem sets and classwork activities. Everything will be graded for accuracy, and each thing will have its own way that it could be scored within the grade book. So, for example, a test might weight more than a quiz, but a project might weight more than a test and a quiz, depending on how big it is. The problem sets, there will be 1 to 2 per unit. The classwork activities will range every day and it will be done during the independent time. The independent time for third period is from 12:10 to 12:50 p.m. Please note that the homework in the textbook and the videos that I create on other assignments are optional, but these are great resources for practice. Independent time should be spent working on these assignments as well as other major assignments to ensure mastery and to be successful during pre-calculus. Some other successful resources that your student may use is the daily agenda. I have sent this link out through Talking Points as well as posted this in several places, including my website as well as on the Green Level website. The daily agenda tells the students everything they need to know, what we're doing in the live session, the non-live session, their homework, and upcoming things that are going to be due for grades, as well as resources such as the textbook, as well as the unit planning documents. The other thing is the current unit planning document. When we're on a unit planning document, it's going to be looking at each unit individually, and it's going to tell the kids what they need to do in those categories that we just discussed. The units for this course are 1 through 10. Please note that things are subject to change. These are all located in the syllabus. I can go ahead and tell you, and I already told the students this, that we are going to get through units 1 through 6, and then 7, 8, 9, and 10, we will base off of the calculus teachers what they think is the best source for us to go after 1 through 6. But definitely 1 through 6 are our primary focus for the semester. And then calculus is where we can pick back up these topics. This is a sample of the unit outline that I am providing to the kids. I do have a link to this in my presentation. I do want to talk about a few pieces of it. The first thing we're going to draw attention to is this minor assignment. So, for example, on August 26th, we had a Google form. It was not due until August 28th at 7 a.m. And notice it says the next class day because we were Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If it was a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday class, it would be due the next day. If something was assigned on a Friday, it would be due that following Monday by 7 a.m. This is going to count as a minor assignment. Anything that has a color and is bolded on my unit outlines are going to be a grade in the grade book. Something else I want to draw your attention to is another minor assignment called the problem set. It gives you the due date and it's due the next class day at 7 a.m. Now, let's talk about a major assignment. This unit sheet goes further down until we get to the test, but I couldn't show you that and zoom in. This major assignment is a quiz, and it says that it is due September 1st at 7 a.m. As soon as I am done with the content on the assessments, I will post the assessments. So, for example, the quiz is going to cover lessons 1.1 to 1.3. So, on August 28th, I'm going to post the quiz, but it's not due until September 1st. So, that gives the kids multiple days to work on it, but they only get one submission. So make sure they're putting their best effort when they do hit submit. Now, I do want to talk about some other things. Notice the color changed here. So this is an optional homework assignment. The answers are located online and in the Google Drive as well as the Google Classroom, and it helps students prepare for assessments. Another thing is this textbook homework. Notice there's a textbook homework for lesson 1.2, 1.3, and what I have done is I have PDF just the textbook problems that I have assigned. So that way the students are going through all 1,000 pages of the textbook. However, if you want the full textbook, it is located on the Google Classroom. All right, questions, comments, or concerns? This was a time during the live part of Virtual Meet the Teacher where I asked for questions, comments, and concerns. Anyways, I'm looking forward to working with you and your student this semester. Please email me if you have any questions, and I cannot wait to see you guys back at school at some point. Have a great day.